Good morning everyone and welcome to our math tutorial, and our topic for today is about polynomial equations. Before we proceed, so polynomial equations. What is a polynomial equation? A polynomial equation is a special kind of algebraic equation where each term is a constant, a variable, or a product of constants and variables raised to whole exponent. How will you determine if the equation is a polynomial equation? A polynomial equation is an equation of the form where a sub n is the leading coefficient, a sub 0 is the constant, n is the degree of the polynomial, and a sub n times x raised to n is the leading term. And all the exponents are positive integers. What are the restrictions in determining if the equation is a polynomial? To be a polynomial equation, it must contain 1. No square roots of variables. 2. No fractional or negative powers on the variables. Then the last one, no variables in the denominators of any fractions. So basically, these are the restrictions to determine if the equation is a polynomial. Then let's have an exercise. Let us try to identify the polynomial or not polynomial equations. So here we have first 5 examples of equations. So we will try to identify if it is a polynomial or not polynomial equation. So let's start. For the first one, x times x minus 2 times 3x plus 5 equals to 0. It is a polynomial. Second one, x minus 3 times x squared minus 4x equals to 0 is a polynomial also. X cubed minus 2 over x plus 3 equals to 0, not polynomial, because of the second term having variable in the denominator. Then the fourth one, 5x cubed plus 4x raised to 9 minus x cubed plus square root of 3 equals to 0. It is a polynomial. Then you have to combine the similar terms, 5x cubed minus x cubed. Then the fifth one, x squared plus square root of x minus 2 equals to 0, not polynomial, because of its second term, square root of x. The variable is inside a radical sign, and when you change this term into an exponential form, it will be x raised to 1/2. And based on our restriction, there should be no fraction on the exponent of a variable. Then we have here another set of equations. So let's try to identify. First one is x squared minus 1/4 equals to 0 is a polynomial. x raised to 5 minus 32 equals to 0. Polynomial also. X cubed minus 6x raised to negative 2 minus x minus 1 equals to 0. Not polynomial. Why? Because of the second term having negative exponent on the variable x. 2x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed minus 6x plus 12 equals 0. It is a polynomial. Then the last one, we have 3x raised to 4 plus 5x minus 3 equals to 0 is polynomial. So in this exercise, we determined the given equation if it is a polynomial or not polynomial equation. So based on the restrictions mentioned before, so you can easily identify if it is a polynomial or not polynomial equation.